Hey guys, it's Dennis here from Our Dream Homestead. There's Cassie. And this is one of the big advantages of having a wood stove. The power is out. Power's been out for about an hour and a half. It's minus 16 Celsius outside. That's almost 0 Fahrenheit. But it's toasty warm in here. And look at this. I got a flashlight in my hand here, that's why there's some light. We're cooking. Try and do that on your electric furnace or your gas furnace. We're actually cooking some dinner on here because it was right around dinner time when it went out. And we didn't eat yet, so we don't know when it's going back on. But yeah, this is one of the biggest pros of having a wood fireplace here. This heats our home, and you can even cook on it. Yeah, cooking supper up there. So I just want to do a quick video and tell you guys here about how pleased we are with this wood stove for the heat it provides, but this is very, very important thing to have in your home. We live on 80 acres here. We have our dream home here. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. A lot of you guys, you know, you've seen the tour of our land and the home and everything, and we totally replaced this wood stove. Chimney and everything. All the piping in the house. Everything they did. But this is just wonderful. Food's boiling. It's really hot too, like it's cooking away there. But yeah, it's really toasty in here, guys, really warm. So I would recommend to anyone watching, if you're on the fence wondering, should I get a wood stove or not? Because you're worried about, you got to get wood and you got to have a little bit of mess in the house to bring the wood in, and all those cons are nothing. When the power goes out, nothing trumps that. This is a very valuable thing to have in your home. So yeah, just a quick video, guys. Cooking on our wood stove with the power out. Thanks for watching.